Do you know that if you can tackle the problem of that hair fall, hair loss, hair breakage, believe me, your hair will grow so thick, long, fuller and healthier. You will retain a lot of length and have that fuller, thicker hair you desire. This hair growth tonic I'm about to share with you will help you to tackle those problems of that hair loss, hair fall, hair breakage and thickening up your hair like crazy. So please watch this video to the end. I will show you how to use this hair growth tonic for the effective way and how to prepare it also for that effective way. To make this powerful hair growth tonic solution, my first ingredient is thyme. If you are not be using thyme on your hair regimen, I believe that after watching this video, you will know the value of thyme in your hair. Thyme will help to grow your hair like crazy. We all know thyme. Thyme is the spice that we use to cook our delicious meals. Okay, so grab thyme and use it to grow your hair. Thyme will thicken up your hair like crazy. Thyme will stop that hair fall, hair breakage, regrow your hair, give you faster hair growth, stimulate blood flow in your scalp. Do not joke with thyme, guys. Incorporating thyme on your hair regimen from now to in 2 months time, your hair will never remain the same. My second ingredient I need in this powerful hair growth tonic is bell leaf. Bell leaf is another powerful natural ingredient that is very effective in our hair. Do not let down on bell leaf. Bell leaf works so amazing. If your hair is falling excessively, your hair is weak, believe me, using bay leaf will give you that thicker hair. Bay leaf will help to strengthen your hair, promote faster hair growth, thicken up your hair and condition your hair. Bay leaf is that effective in doing all these things that I list out, even more than that. Yes, even more than that. Consistent of using bay leaf on your hair, you will never ever regret it. Believe me when I said it, you will never ever regret it. My third ingredient in this powerful hair growth tonic solution is bass leaf. This bass leaf is very effective in promoting hair growth, reducing hair loss, controlling dandruff, strengthening hair, help to stop itchiness in your scalp and scalp irritation. This help also moisturize your hair, promote scalp healthy. This bass leaf is something that you need to start using on your hair regimen, and believe me, you will never ever regret it. You can use the fresh leaf of it or the dry one of it. The two of them work the same thing. Anyone you can raise your hand on, feel free to make use of it. This bass leaf is a game changer, honestly. With consistency of using this bass leaf on your hair alone, you will see a great change under your hair. Your hair will grow like never before, honestly. So let me show you how to put this ingredient together to make that powerful effective hair growth tonic solution. First thing, I bring my jar and my jar is clean. You can only prepare this powerful hair growth tonic solution in 2 ways, either boiling method or infusion method, and I choose infusion method, and I will advise you to choose infusion method because infusion method is more potent than boiling method. Just that infusion method is more slow than boiling method. Boiling method is more faster for you to use the recipe than infusion method. So just get patient and do the infusion method. If you want this hair growth tonic to be more potent, do infusion method, okay? So I just put my ingredients in there: 1 tablespoon of my thyme, some pieces of bay leaf, and also 1 tablespoon of my bass leaf. These are the ingredients that we are using in this powerful hair growth tonic. After putting them together, next thing I will do now is to bring my hot water to pour in the hot water on it, and I will cover it up, keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. So if you don't have much time to infuse it up to 12 hours, you can just infuse it for 8 hours. But I advise you to infuse it from that 12 hours, because the longer time you infuse it, the best result you got, okay? This hair growth tonic is a solution to that your hair problems. This hair growth tonic will grow your hair 10 times faster, 100 guarantee results. This hair growth tonic will give you crazy faster hair growth if you use it in a way I will direct you in this video, okay? Just keep on watching to see how to use it to get all these good benefits on it. If you use this hair growth tonic in a wrong way, you will not get that good results. 12 hours later, our powerful hair growth tonic solution is ready. Do you see how darker this hair growth tonic is now compared when we infuse it earlier time? That's why I say infusion method is the best. This hair growth tonic, all the nutrients of the ingredient, they are super tight, okay? So try to do infusion methods on your recipes and you will love it so much than doing boiling method, okay? I bring my bowl and my sheaf cloth to collect my hair growth tonic. At this moment, this hair growth tonic is ready to be used. So you can choose to drop essential oil on it, but I choose not to add any essential oil on it because only this hair growth tonic is bomb. This hair growth tonic is super potent and super effective. You don't need any addition thing for this hair growth tonic to do that magic work on your hair, okay? So only this hair growth tonic, yeah, good to go. And the smell not smell any horrible, it scent so amazing, okay? So how to use this hair growth tonic to get all these good benefits I list out earlier is to use it as your leave-in tea spray. Yes, don't wash it out. Allow this hair growth tonic to sit under your beautiful hair to do in work, because when this hair growth tonic sits on your hair, it has more time to do in great work it means to do. But if you rinse it out, it will not do that work it's supposed to do on your hair. So have patience, allow it to sit on your hair so that you get the good benefits with this hair growth tonic, okay? How many times can you apply it on your hair? Use it 3 to 4 times in a week for that best result, okay? Storage. Store this in your refrigerator only about 5 to 7 days. Anyone that remaining, please kindly discard it and make a fresh batch. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed, please do wait to subscribe and join this beautiful family. Believe me, you will never ever regret it, okay? And once you subscribe, please do wait to turn on your post notification bell to all so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this, okay? And if you have not liked this video up to this point and you find this video helpful, please help me to click on that like button. It really encourages me a lot and also it helps the growth of the channel. Lastly, please share this video to your family and friends so that you get a lot of people, okay, so that they will know the best hair growth tonic to use to grow their hair like never before. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.